Hi friends, welcome to our channel World of Technology. So today we will be discussing about why do most people fail the CK exam. It's not because the exam is too hard. It's because of small, silly, avoidable mistakes. You might know Kubernetes, but in exam it's not about knowing. It's about executing fast and correctly. This is not a theory exam. This is an execution exam. This will be completely an execution exam. And today I'll show you up the top 10 mistakes that silently fail most candidates. If you avoid this, you are already ahead of 90% people. So let's go. Mistake number 1, using the latest image tag. This looks harmless, but it's very risky because the latest can change anytime and your pod may behave differently. In exam, always use fixed versions, like for example Nginx colon 1.25. Mistake number 2, forgetting the namespace. You run a command and everything looks fine, but actually you are in the wrong namespace. So at the end your answer is wrong. So what do we need to do? Always check where am I working. You can use the -n flag or set default namespace. After that, the next mistake is of labels and selectors. Your pod are running, your service is created, but nothing connects. Why? Because there is a label mismatch. This is one of the most common failures that people face. So always verify labels before moving ahead. Thereafter, we have another mistake kind, and that is of not verifying the output. You create the resource, but did you check if it actually works? So you need to use some of the commands like kubectl get, kubectl describe, kubectl logs, so you can verify the result. So verification is not a kind of optional thing, it has to be mandatory. You need to verify whatever you have done. After that, the next mistake that most people make is writing the full YAML from scratch, or let's say not full but at least half or some portion from scratch. This wastes time and increases the chances of errors. Instead, generate YAML instantly using kubectl create -dry-run equal to client -o YAML. This is one of the most common command that you must be using, not that it's some kind of optional. You must be using this command for generating the objects resources, and thereafter you can edit it as per your question requirement and then apply it. This can be called as a huge time saver in examination. After that, we have the mistake number 6, that is ignoring the error messages. Kubernetes already tells you what's wrong. Whenever you run your command and if you face some kind of error message, so you need to read those error messages, because the answer for making that thing correct is in the error message itself. Let's say you get image pull back off, crash loop back off. These are clues. Don't ignore them. Read them, fix them, and move fast. After that, we have the next mistake, that is not using the kubectl explain command. You don't remember any field. Let's say that a resource object has various field, but you are not kind of remembering the exact name of the field. So you don't need to remember. You don't need to remember everything. There is no problem. You just use a simple command, that is kubectl explain, thereafter the object of which you want to get the explanation of, and it gives you a structured output, and you get to know what's the name and what's the format. All those things can be clear instantly without kind of wasting time in guessing it will be the name or that will be the spelling, nothing. After that, the mistake number 8, it is spending too much time on one question. This is the another most dangerous scenario. If you get stuck, let's say you are all stuck, you are not able to move forward with the question, then don't get stuck over there, just skip. If you have time, if you have some remaining time after you attempt all the questions, you can come back later. There is a way that you can come later, but for that time you just skip that question. Don't lose the entire exam for just one silly question. After that, we have the another mistake kind, and that is only watching the videos and no practice. So let me be very clear that CKA is not a watching exam, it's a doing exam. You, if you don't practice, you will not be able to make it. So watching video is important, getting idea, getting suggestion, getting the actual way to prepare for it is all good, but at the end, if you don't practice, you will either struggle in the exam or at all you will fail. So practice, practice and practice. After that, the next mistake and the most common mistake that everyone faces is to panic in the exam. Don't panic. Panic is the you can say the biggest enemy that you will be facing in an exam. Even if you are know everything, then also panic has the ability to destroy your performance. So the first and foremost thing is to be calm. Read the question twice if required, and then execute confidently. Don't get panic. So what did we learn? We learned that small mistakes can lead to a big failure. But if you verify everything, use smart commands, and manage your time correctly, you can absolutely crack this exam. CKA is not about some kind of genius, guys. It's about you and me. It's about discipline. So we can make it. So, and we will make it. After that, if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, because I will be sharing real exam level questions and practical strategies. Also will be discussing about the topics, the CK topics in going forward in this channel, that can actually help you pass. And let's be tuned to this channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.